Students, today we will cover the subtopics operations on sets. Operations on sets. So there are three operations. We will take one by one. The first one is union of sets. Union of sets. So union of sets is if you consider A and B as any two sets, the union of A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of A and all the elements of B. The common elements you have to take only once. So if you consider, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So the union of sets is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol of union of sets. So A union B, read it as A union B. A union B is equal to what I told the definition. A union B is the set which consists of all the elements of A, all the elements of B and common elements being taken only once. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 is present in set B also. So don't take again. Only once you have to write the common elements. 5, 6. This is A union B. So once again I'll tell the definition. Let A and B be two sets. Then the union of sets is the set which consists of all the elements of A. A nag iddid ella elements baribeku, B nag iddiddu ella elements you have to write. Only common iddid elements ಏನೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನ 2 times ಬರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ. You have to write only once. So the answer is A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second example if I take, let A is equal to A, B, C, D and B is equal to, if I take E, F, G. So what is A union B? A union B is equal to A nag iddidella elements bariri A, B, C, D. ಆಮೇಲೆ B nag ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ E, F, G. This is the A union B. So clear? So what is the definition of A union B? Let, I am taking the definition here. Let A and B be two sets. The union of A and B, the union of A and B is the set, it is also the set, is the set which consists of all the elements of A, comma, all the elements of B, comma, the common elements being taken only once. You have to just write being taken only once. So all the elements of A, all the elements of B, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ A ನಾಗ್ B ನಾಗ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಬರೀರಿ. So again I will take one example. Let A is equal to, suppose if it is 4, 5 and B is equal to, it is suppose null set, no elements are present. So what is A union B? A union B is equal to 4, 5, B nag ಯಾವುದು element ಇಲ್ಲ. So write like this. So this is A union B. I hope you understood what is A union B. And it is always denoted by the symbol. So this is the symbol of union of two sets. The next operation is, so before taking the next operations, I'll take the properties of union of sets. So what are the properties of union of sets? The first property is, if you consider A union B, this is equal to B union A. We call this property as commutative property. This is the commutative property. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ set A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ and set B. ನೀವು A union find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. B union A find ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ same answer ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ. So what do you call this property? A union B is equal to B union A. Second example or second property is A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. This is called associative property. It is the associative property. Third one is A union null set. Null set andre yavdu element illa. Just now I have taken one example. A 1 2 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ನಿ. Null set andre yavdu element illa. So ನಿಮಗೆ answer ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು? A na ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. So therefore answer is A. This is the third property. Fourth property is A union A is equal to A. And the fifth property is universal set. Union A is equal to, it is universal set only. So if you consider the simple examples, so these are the properties of union of sets. I'll just take, let A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to 3 4. So what is A union B? A union B is equal to 1. A nagiddid ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ, B nagiddid ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 is the answer. ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು B ಯೂನಿಯನ್ A ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನೈತಿ? B ನಾಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ, A ನಾಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಐತಿ. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ. A ಯೂನಿಯನ್ B ನಾಗ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ? 1 2 3 4. B union A nag ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ? 3 4 1 2. So order is not important. The elements are same, 3 3 4 4 2 2 and 1 1. So we say that the A union B is equal to B union A. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನೈತಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ A, what is A here? A union null set is equal to, A ನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 1 2. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 1 2. 1 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ 1 2 ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ A set. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ A set here? See that A set is 1 2. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು? A union intersection null set is equal to A. And fourth property ಏನೈತಿ? A union A. A union A. A ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 1 2. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮತ್ತು A ಐತಿ 1 2. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್? 1 2. ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 1 2 and set 1 2 is nothing but A. So we got A union A is equal to A. Okay, and similarly you can prove the second property. A union B, you got answer union C. If you take, you will get the same answer as A union B union C is equal to, that is A union B union C. So these are the properties of union of sets. Next we'll move to second operation, that is intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Now what is the meaning of intersection of sets? Intersection of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are common to both A and B. Both A and B, if the elements are common, that elements only you have to write here. If you consider, let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to suppose 4 5. This is the set A, this one is the set B. Now intersection is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol of intersection of sets. So A intersection B is equal to, ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಏನೈತಿ? ಎರಡೂನಾಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಐತಿ and here also 4 is there. So what is the answer? 4. the common elements in set A and set B, that only you have to write. So which are common to both A and B, that is the intersection of sets. If you consider the next example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 5, 6. So what is A intersection B? Illi eno common illa. What are the elements in A? 1, 2, 3. B elements ಏನೈತಿ 5, 6. So nothing is common here. ಏನೋ common ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೀದಾ null set ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Either symbol use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು or you can use this symbol. So these are the symbols of empty set. So no element is common. So you will get the answer as null set. Again one more example. Let A is equal to A, B, C and B is equal to, again the elements are suppose A, B, C. So what is A intersection B? A intersection B is, we have to write the common elements to both A and B. So what are the common elements? A is present here also, here also. Similarly B, B and C, C. So therefore the answer is A, B, C. So I hope you clear what is the definition of intersection of sets. So I'll write the definition. Definition of intersection of sets is the intersection of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are common to both A and B, and the symbol, this is the symbol, is used to denote the intersection. So this is the definition of A intersection B, or the intersection of sets. Okay, so again one more example I'll take. Let A is equal to, if you consider 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. If you take the sets, may be finite or may be infinite. B is equal to, if I take 1, 3, 5, 7, okay, set here. First set is the set of even numbers. Second set is the set of odd natural numbers. So if you consider the intersection A intersection B, what is common in both? Nothing, no elements are common. 2, 4 even numbers ಐತಿ, B ಏನೈತಿ odd numbers ಐತಿ. So what is common? No elements are common. So answer is null set. Next we will take properties of intersection of sets. Properties of intersection of sets. So first property is, that is again same way, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, which what we call this property? Commutative property. So this is commutative property. Similarly, if you can find the value of A intersection B, same answer you will get if you take B intersection A. Second one is A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. This we call it as associative property. Associative property. So remember these properties. And the third property is null set intersection A is equal to null set, and fourth one is universal set intersection A is equal to, it is A. Fifth property is A intersection A is equal to A, and one more property you will get here, that is called as a distributive property. A intersection B union C is equal to, how to take here, A intersection B, then what is middle here, union, then again A intersection C, A intersection C. And if you consider here union in the bracket intersection, so you can split it as A union B, A union B, nadu eniti intersection sign iti, give intersection sign, and then A union C. These two properties are called distributive property. Distributive property. And that is true only in case of intersection of sets. So these are the properties. Next is difference of sets. This is the third operation of sets, that is difference of sets. Now difference of sets, the difference of the sets A and B in this order is the set of elements which belongs to A but not to B, and we write it as symbolically A minus B. Now suppose if you consider, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to, suppose it is 4, 5, 6. So set A consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Set B is 4, 5, 6. Now difference of sets andrena, it is denoted by A minus B. A minus B andrena difference of sets. It is meaning eniti elements which are in A. Elements which are in A but not in B. A nagiti but B nagilla. So what are the elements which are present in A but not in B? 1 which is not present in B, 2 which is not present in B, 3 which is not present in B, 4 ಏನೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಐತಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 5 ಏನೈತಿ B ನಾಗೂ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ದು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಏನೈತಿ A ನಾಗ ಐತಿ ಬಟ್ B ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 1, 2, 3. This is A minus B. Suppose if you take B minus A here, B minus A ಅಂದ್ರೆ B ನಾಗ ಐತಿ ಬಟ್ A ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So ಯಾವ್ದೈತಿ B ನಾಗೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4, 5 it is present here and 6 is not there. So it is B minus A is 4. Again one more example. If you take, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 2, 3, 4. What is the answer? A minus B. Andrena A nagiti but B nagilla. Yaud element? 1. 1 B nagilla. So this is the answer. Now if you take B minus A, here it is B nagiti but A nagilla. B nagiti yauda 4 iti, which is not present in A. So here it is B minus A. So clear the difference of sets andrena? It is the set of the elements which belong to A but not to B. So we will take the definition. Definition of difference of sets is the difference of sets, the difference of these sets A and B is the set of elements, which belong to A set but not B. A nagiti but B nagilla. So and is symbolically how we write it? Symbolically we write it as A minus B. So what is the meaning of A minus B? The elements which are present in A but not in B. Simple way nag ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A nagiti but B nagilla. The elements which are present in A but not in B. So I'll take one more example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B is equal to, it is 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is A minus B? A minus B is equal to A nagiti but B nagilla. 1, 2 ಐತಿಲ್ಲಿ, 3, 4 is there, 5, 6 is there. So what is the answer? 1, 3, 5. If you consider B minus A, andre B nagiti but A nagilla. 2 is present in A, 4 is present in A, 6 is also present in A. What about 8? 8 is not present in A. So answer is b minus a is equal to 8. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್? a minus b is not equal to b minus a. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. In what case? Difference of sets ನಾಗ. Union of sets is commutative. Intersection of sets is commutative. But difference of sets is not commutative. So this is the difference of the sets A and B. The next one is, I will take the Venn diagram of this one. So Venn diagram for union, intersection and difference of sets. So for one example only, I'll just explain you what is that Venn diagram. Venn diagram means the diagrams used to represent the sets. Diagrams which are used to represent the sets are called Venn diagram. So what is that Venn diagram now? First one, I'll just consider one example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are the two sets. Now A union B. What do you get the answer here? A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. And what is A intersection B? A intersection B is equal to common elements ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That is 3, 4. And what is A minus B? A minus B ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ನಾಗೈತಿ but B ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. A ನಾಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತಿ? 1, 2. So don't get confused. Learn properly. Union ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. And A minus B ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ನಾಗೈತಿ but B ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Now one Venn diagram of first one. A union B is equal to. Whenever you draw the Venn diagram, just take a rectangle like this. This is nothing but we consider it as a universal set. Universal set ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? The biggest set. So ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಏನೈತಿ? ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ. It is the universal set. ಇನ್ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ತಗೋರಿ. This is set A and always take a two circles in intersection form. This is set B. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ A and B. So ಈಗ set A ನಾಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ? 1, 2, 3, 4. set B ನಾಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ? 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the reason. ಇದೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಐತಿ? That is the common reason. ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? Common elements you have to write. So A and B. What are the common elements in A and B? 3 and here 4. So ಆ common place ನಾಗ 3, 4 ಬರೀರಿ. ಇದೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಐತ್ಲ? This much part. This is the common part in A and B. A ನಾಗೂ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, B ನಾಗೂ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಆ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ನಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ A ಐತಿ. 3, 4 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರದ್ದಿರಿ. ಉಳಿತೇನ 1, 2. Write the remaining elements here. And in B, what are the elements? 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 4 already ನೀವು ಬರದ್ದಿರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So what are the remaining elements? Write 5, 6. Write anywhere in the circle. Now see, complete A set na ಏನ್ elements ಐತಿ? 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete B set na ಏನ್ elements ಐತಿ? 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, this is now here, I have taken the shaded part. ನೀವು ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಕ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂದ್ರ that is A intersection B. And same way, always take same diagram. U here A, this is B, ಇದು A ಐತಿ, B common elements ಯಾವತ್ತು common place ನಾಗ ಬರೀರಿ. 1, 2 and this is 5, 6. ಇನ್ನ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನೈತಿ? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತಿ? what you get the answer ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ A union B. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ? 3, 4. ಸೊ 3, 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ಓನ್ಲಿ 3, 4 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಷ್ಟ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೇಡ್ ಇಟ್. Now the third one is U is equal to, okay, I'll take in the second one. U is equal to, I'll consider the Venn diagram for union. This is universal, this is A, this one is B. So AB 3 4 common elements iti 1 2 and 5 6. Same way diagram number of elements whatever is there you have to write same way. Only shading is different. Union nag 2 circles shade ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Intersection nag 3 4 answer ಇತ್ತು 3 4. In A minus B ಏನೈತಿ 1 2. So 1 2 is present here. This is, don't take that common reason. This is A minus B. So this is the diagram for A minus B. Okay, what you get the answer, that answer should be in the shaded region. Similarly, if you take B minus A, again I will take U, two circles A, B, common region like 3 4, 1 2 5 6. Now what is the answer? B minus A. B minus A is 5 6. So 5 6 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is the intersection. Lightly you have to shade it. Okay, so this is B minus A. I hope you understood what is the union Venn diagram for union of sets, intersection of sets and difference of sets. So now I will solve few examples on all these three operations. Okay, so the first example is find the union of first one. A is equal to, it is A E I O U and B is equal to A B C. So what is the union? A union B is equal to, union ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ A E I O U, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ B C. This is A union B. Next example, let A is equal to 1 2 3 4, B is equal to 3 4 5 6. So what is A intersection B? Intersection B andre common elements 3 illu aiti, ಎರಡು sets nag aiti, 4 is present in both the sets, so answer is 3 4. Next example is, if you find the difference, let A is equal to, it is A B C D and B is equal to F B D G. So A minus B. A minus B means what? The A nagiti but B nagilla. A is present here only, B is present there, leave it. D is also present there, C is not. So answer is A comma C. And other same question na B minus A kelidre, it will become what? B nagiti but A nagilla. B nag yavadu element iti? F iti. B allu present iti, D is also present, it is G. So I hope you understood what is the union, intersection and difference of two sets. So I will give few assignment problems, try to solve it. The first question is, it is assignment problems. First one, let A is find, you have to find the union. Okay, find the union of sets. This is the first one. So let A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to null set. So you have to find the union. Second question, let A is equal to 5 6 7 8, B is equal to 7 8 9 10. So A intersection B is the question. Find A intersection B and A minus B. Also draw Venn diagram. So what is the meaning of Venn diagram? New sets in diagram le denote ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆ diagram ಕೆ ನಂತು ನಾವು Venn diagram. third question. Let x is equal to a, b, c, d and y is equal to f, b, d, g. Find x minus y, second y minus x, and third x intersection y, and fourth x union y. No need to draw the Venn diagram. Venn diagram ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವಾಗಷ್ಟೇ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Otherwise directly you have to write the answer.